Hey all, we're back. So I had to end the video since I didn't have it set to where I could change browser tabs. But we are picking back up on our circle map, which is step one in our writing process. So we have looked at the writing prompt. We are writing about all the different ways that we use math. And so I'm going to brainstorm on some different ideas. Um, let's see. I know that I often use math when I'm cooking, and you want to come up with at least 8 ideas. That's the goal. And then you're going to choose the one idea that you feel that you can write the most about. I use math when I'm driving my car. I use math when I'm teaching because I need to know how long a lesson can be. I need to know a schedule to know where I need to be at certain times. What else do I use math on? And then in the middle here, this is where you're going to put math. So that's going to go in the middle. So what are some other ways that I use math? I might just use math when I'm doing schoolwork. I use math when I take care of my dogs. So I need to know how much food to serve them. So taking care of my dogs. I always have to count to make sure I know how many dogs are with me because I have 5. So it's easy to forget that one of them is outside. So I'm always counting as I let them in and out to use the restroom. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 2 more ideas. I may use math when I am budgeting. So if I'm spending money and checking on my bank account, I know I need to use math when I'm counting. So bank account, and for y'all, maybe it's like chores or when you're spending money. So those are kind of all going together. And then one more thing I need to use math with. Sometimes I need to use math with cleaning because I have to make my cleaning supplies. So that's one. Or actually, when I'm painting, I have to use math because I might be doing certain shapes. I may have to determine the size of what I'm painting. I have to decide how much paint I'm going to need to know how much is going to cover a certain piece of material. So I also use math in painting. So at this point, I've got some good ideas here. I need to pick one thing that I know that I can really write about, and I can have several ideas. I'm seeing cooking is a good one. Teaching is a good one. I want to kind of pick one that might be different than what y'all do. So I'm probably going to pick teaching. I wonder if I have a way I can draw. Sorry, I'm a little sniffly. Allergies have been not great lately. I'm just going to get a circle. That's what I'm going to do. Get a shape. I'm going to use a circle, and then I'm going to choose a color. So I'm torn between these, so I'll decide within our next video. I'm either going to choose teaching, and that needs to be clear, or I'm going to choose painting because I think that's a little bit different. So I need to decide, but I'm only going to be able to pick one of these. I can't have more than one. So you need to make sure that you're only choosing one thing that you're writing about. And then our next step is going to be writing a topic sentence that talks about what we chose and how we use that. So one of these is going to explain how or what that activity is. And then the other one is going to also explain how we use math for it. Okay. And you might be able to do a little bit of explaining the activity with how it uses math and combine those together. But we'll work on that together. I will try to either record a video tonight or I'll do it tomorrow morning. So we'll pick up next video. Bye, y'all.